Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add CC on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically adding CC means that we will be needing to simply tag or mention other people on the chat. And to do so, you will be needing just to go to a channel. So here we will have our list of channel, or you can simply search for your channels from this menu by clicking on the more button, and from here you will find all the channels. After that, you will be needing just to click on the channel where you want to start tagging and mentioning people. So here you will be needing to simply create your message or type your message, and you can simply tag them by type in CC, and after that you can add a mention. And by adding the add character, you will be able to add the name of the person, or you can either mention by email or by their ID or whatever. So each person would have, like each profile would have some kind of mentioning. So this is how I'm being able to mention. So you can go to edit, and from here we go to edit, and you can choose either their display name or whatever. And after that, you will need just to add your message. So you can start like messaging, formatting your message, and basically you can start add formatting, etc. And then you can click on enter. And as you can see, now you have uh, mentioned this is just a page, but you can do the same for people or anything. So I'm just going for me and add message, and I'm just going to click on enter, and basically you can do it this way, or you can simply start like just tagging people, and then you can continue your message, and then you can send it here on the Slack. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.